Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul David Ibrahim from grade 11 MIPA 1. The importance of riding in my personal opinion and important activity for all life is riding. The first lesson by riding we can know everything.
Don't know nobody. Big body, fucking with some big money. Everybody, green boots, nobody can't find me. I just want your little shawty.
We can get it through reading books, magazines, and newspapers.
3 times,
Can
I
live
can find my
by
way.
reading. We can find out
Body know my name.
about the
Gang out, block out, do it out.
ladies,
Gang,
girls,
gang.
and
Shawty, what's your real name?
men's,
One time,
as
I
well
won't
as
know.
the
Lie,
current
no bitch. I was just a
world
fucking
of
high. No
technology.
cap, no time, no
We
life,
are living
no
and
life.
there
Oh my god, fuck.
we can
Just
read
the money.
newspapers,
I just pop a mullet,
chemists,
purple mullet. I can
April
see nobody
magazines,
running from me.
books
Don't want nobody.
are with
Big
every-
body, fucking with some big money.
namely to
Everybody
make
screams who's nobody.
us
Can't
prepared
find me. I just want your
are
little
relaxed
shawty. Purple
friend.
mullet. I can see nobody running from me. Don't
Below
want
that we
nobody.
need to read to get a lot of news and entertainment. This is why riding is very